beginning.
Okay.
At the beginning itself, I have to say, the language happens to be the oldest tradition of man. And the linguistic areas are created by nature. Linguistic areas are not created by politicians. Linguistic areas are created by nature.
You mean the geographic areas where
people
language is spoken?
Is spoken.
Yeah.
And the people of that particular area share so many common traits of history. It is conditioned by history. It is conditioned by geography. It is conditioned by influx of so many tribes in ancient times and even at present times. And it is a continuous process. Language is just like a river. River has bends, river has tributaries, rivers have their diversions, their canals.
Mm.
So it is very difficult to conceive the language as a biological product.
Yeah.
To say that a particular language is born out of another language.
Mm-hmm.
It may branch out. But in order to establish itself as a language, it needs a prerequisite historical and other cultural, literary background. Now, if we go to seals of Mohenjo-daro, Indus Valley civilization, there we have science, but we do not know the concept of those signs.